Travel hacking can take you from being broke, burned out, and stuck at home to having the freedom to travel for free. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, I absolutely love travel hacking and all the incredible places it has empowered my family to travel to and enjoy. The picture that you see here is from a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom oceanfront beach condo that we enjoyed for a week last summer, and we didn't pay a penny for it. But it wasn't always this way. See, I'm a girl dad to my daughters, Lucy and Emily, and while my girls look happy in this old photo, this was not a happy trip. This was the trip that broke me. Here's the backstory to this moment. So I'm from Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. If you're a fan of The Office, I live just south of Scranton. And my family intentionally lives and leads in the poorest neighborhood in our city, getting to help hundreds of people out of poverty, addiction, homelessness, crisis, trauma, and more. Well, as exciting as those transformation stories have been, it was equally exhausting finding ourselves year after year living paycheck to paycheck, crushed under the weight of compassion fatigue, never having the money to afford refreshing vacations. That meant every year it felt like we had to beg and borrow just to get a vacation. Well, the picture you see here is from a trip where someone gave our family 10 days at a beach house at the ocean in Cape May, New Jersey. I remember we were so excited to be able to go until we showed up and found that this place was mold-filled and mosquito-infested. I was crushed. I remember thinking as a dad, saying to myself, I don't want my girls to grow up and say, hey, remember how dad used to take us on crap vacations because our family was so invested in urban development that we can never afford anything better? That trip broke me. But it also sent me on a search for a solution. I had to search for quite a while, but eventually I found travel hacking. And although I was really skeptical of it at first, my desperation outweighed my skepticism. And I'm so glad it did. It's amazing because I quickly found that travel hacking changed everything. In my first year, I earned 1.2 million travel rewards points, and I've now earned over 4 million points since starting this journey. We have unlocked the secrets of free travel, and it has transformed everything. From Disney to the ocean to big city adventures to tropical getaways to family holidays, international adventures, and everything else in between, travel hacking changed everything. We went from being broke, burned out, and stuck at home to now enjoying the freedom of free travel. And whenever you find something good, you have to share it with others. And I would love to share with you how you can unlock the secrets of free travel as well.